We just got back from breakfast and it was good. And look how red I am. It's great. My hair is like in a fro, so I have to like tie it back or else it was like super poofy. There's people going to the pool right now and they're looking at me. It's cool. Kaylee, how was your breakfast?
Good.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
How does your body feel?
I was really burnt.
Yeah, Kaylee's really burnt. How's your body feel? How's your face feel?
It hurt. Well, it's kind of stinging right now because I was so sunburned.
Me too. So, they were going to the rainforest today because we were trying to keep out of the sun because me and Kaylee are the most burnt, and then my dad and mom are kind of burnt, but me and Kaylee are the most burnt because we were out for the longest. So, it all turned into tan though, so it's all good. Now we're on the right track to the rainforest. Kaylee, are you excited? Mm-hmm. We're excited. Oh, someone just honked.
Oh, that looks safe. I don't want to follow him.
Oh, nice.
200-pound stove sitting on his tailgate.
Someone's got a stove on their tailgate. It's
Oh,
really pretty here.
Oh my goodness.
So yeah, we're going to the rainforest. We got the car floored, going up to the mountains in the rainforest. It's very pretty up here. And we took like 4 wrong turns to get here, but now we're on the right track. Yes!
Yeah.
Everybody's happy.
Yeah. So, got the chicken. Bosque Nacional. It's starting to sprinkle. Found a parking spot way up here. We're up at 7.9 kilometers into
Staying overnight.
the mountains. So pretty. What? Look at this tree. It's ginormous. Ginormous. We hear it. We hear the waterfall. We're on this trail. We're going to the waterfall and we can hear it. We made it. You won't be able to see me. We just got done at this watchtower. Insert pictures here. It's a really pretty view, and going down the long spiral staircase, down, down, down. Went to the beach after we went to the rainforest, and now we're sitting in our hotel room eating pizza because we were all tired, didn't really feel like going out. So we're sitting here eating pizza, watching Chopped. It's a great time.